Hello everyone, my name is Widya. I study at the Terhadap University Management Study Program. I made this video for an assignment for a Sharia banking course taught by Mr. Widya. In this video, I want to explain non-performing financing in Islamic banking. But before that, I will tell you about Islamic banking. Without further ado, let's get started. Islamic banking has many financing products such as murabahah, mudorobah, ijaroh, istisna, musyarakah, and many more. Each product has its own characteristic, but one of the characteristics that all types of financing products have is the existence of a contract. This contract is also a differentiator between Islamic banking and conventional banking. Contract in Islamic banking contains transparent information agreement between customers and banks, so that banks can minimize asymmetric information that can harm various parties. Risk profile assessment in banking is divided into several sections, one of which is financing risk caused by the customer's failure to fulfill obligation to the bank in accordance with the agreed agreement. One indicator to assessment the level of smoothness with which customers fulfill their obligation is the non-performing financing or NPF ratio. NPF is a ratio that shows a comparison between non-performing financing and the amount of financing distributed by Islamic banks. Problem financing can come from external companies such as customers who are reluctant to pay installments, customers who are often late in paying installments, and customers who run away. The need for supervision and monitoring from the bank to suppress the growth of the NPF value. NPF development fluctuation from April 2020 to April 2021 shows an increase and decrease in the non-performing financing ratio. It can be seen that in 2020 the non-performing financing ratio began to decrease, but in March 2021 it experienced an increase. To reduce disruption to the stability of the company's financial system, they need to pay attention to the CAR level, CAR or capital adequacy ratio, that function to accumulate the risk of loss that a bank may face. Because the higher of the CAR, the company can anticipate loss if there are financing problems. This problem is also experienced by Muamalat Bank. The peak occurred in 2017. CAR fell to 11.58%. This figure is still within safe limits, but within the CAR Basel III concession for CAR of at least 12% to absorb countercyclical risk. Indonesia's bank explained that a countercyclical buffer is additional capital that functions as a buffer to anticipate losses in the event of excess credit growth or banking financing that has the potential to disrupt financial system stability. In order to minimize the increased problematic financing in Sharia banking, then the management must be aware of various factors can trigger an upgrade problem financing. Among the others comes from internal factors in the form of capital adequacy ratio and total asset, so expected capable of determining internal policy disbursement of financing and can controlling the NPF level. Maybe that's the first material that I can explain. If there is an error in presenting the material, I apologize. I will really look forward to critiques and suggestions from all of you. I hope this material can add to your insight, and see you in another time. Bye!